Okay, so off in the distance you see the work truck, and then you see the last car is the C cab, which is the caboose, and the dining car. And then the next car is the sleeper car. Then this car right in front of us is the wash car and the CN car, the washrooms, showers, fresh water tank, laundry, and where the CN guys sleep are all in that car. This is water tanker number 2. No, pardon me, number 3. We take on about 72,000 gallons of water. This is water tanker number 2. Underneath in these compartments down here, we store extra parts, grease, and that kind of stuff, fire hoses. Now we're coming to engine number 4. There's a grinding mod. So these cables in here are all the hydraulic cables. You got your grinding mod. This is on one of the carriages. This is a grinding stone. This thing is about 8 inches. It's about 18 pounds. You can see it bolts into the bottom. One of the ladders, that's B cab, because you can see the machine's due for some paint. So here's engine number 3. Those filters, those steel things you see up there, those are our air filters. Inside them, we have to blow those out every day. So we usually do 2 engines every day and switch it up. Now we're walking to engine number 2. It's one of our signs, just to let people know when we're grinding, to make sure they stay clear. That's A cab. Now engine number 1 is on, it's getting loud. That's engine number 1 right there. Now we're walking up to grind car. This is a newer style grind car. It's about 3 years old. It's got a different style of grinding modules on it. This is called a buggy system. The others are a carriage system. As you can see, those wheels drop down, and they actually, when we're grinding, they go to the ground and they rest on the rail. You see, these stones are needing to be changed. You can see how far we wear them down from regular stone. This is water tanker number 1. That blue light right there, that is a hot rail signal. A hot rail is an oncoming train from either direction. And we push that button up there, the yellow one there. If actually we pull it out, pardon me. If just a signal, it sends off a siren for a hot rail. Those are the fire foam containers right there. Fire foam helps us to put out the fires. It mixes in with our water, and it just makes things much better. Put out our smokers. Those are some ditch sprays. Thankfully they're not on, because I'd be wet right now. And this, we're going up to the front control cab. It's another engine in there. one of our water cannons. That red thing on the railing. And there's the front cab. As you can see, someone tagged it. That has been like that for approximately a year, I've been told. Happened the first day they got to Halifax last year. Yeah, that's our machine. RG309. Much bigger than my last one.